Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Let's talk Vitamix 5200. First reason, restaurant quality blends every single time. No more chunky smoothies, just silky, delicious perfection. Whether it's green smoothies or creamy soups, it nails the texture. Second reason, self-cleaning magic saves you tons of time. Seriously, add water and soap, blend, and it's spotless. No need to take it apart or scrub for ages. Perfect for busy mornings or family meal prep. Third reason, built to last with professional-grade durability. This isn't a blender you'll replace next year. It's an investment. Stainless steel blades crush ice, nuts, and frozen fruit easily. The 2 HP motor powers through anything you throw at it. Big 64-ounce container handles small snacks or family-sized batches. From nut butters to hot soups, versatility is unmatched. 10 variable speeds let you control every blend's texture. Make smoothies, sauces, dough, and even frozen desserts. Health enthusiasts, families, and home cooks, this is for you. If you want to eat healthier, Vitamix makes it easy. No more excuses, fresh, nutritious meals in minutes. Even picky eaters love the smooth results from Vitamix. Worried about overheating? Built-in sensors keep things safe. And if you ever need help, Vitamix support is top-notch. Made in the USA, backed by a 7-year warranty. Peace of mind and reliable performance for years to come. Why settle for disposable blenders that just don't last? Invest once, enjoy effortless blending every single day. Imagine creamy nut butters, hot soups, and icy drinks, all made in one powerful, easy-to-clean blender. No more clutter. Vitamix replaces so many kitchen gadgets. It's the universal tool for every home chef's needs. Want to impress friends with restaurant-style smoothies? Or whip up healthy snacks for your family in seconds? Vitamix 5200 makes it all possible, effortlessly. Just imagine the possibilities, your kitchen, your rules. Ready to move up and fuel your culinary passion? Don't wait. Your healthier lifestyle starts with Vitamix. Click the link, check out the Vitamix of 5200 now. See why professional chefs and home cooks trust Vitamix. Join thousands who've upgraded to smoother, tastier blends. Your kitchen deserves the best. Make the switch today. Hit follow for more honest product reviews and tips. Drop your questions below. I'll help you blend like a pro.